Hi there, I am Ramon here at Water and Wellness. And today we are inviting you to our intuitive training that we do once a month. Is developing your higher consciousness, which really means your awareness of who you are. And if you want to become more in contact with the universe and become in contact with the immortal part of you, because you are an immortal. You never, never die. Your energy has always been here and it will always be here. So it's your consciousness that you want to develop. And that's what we're going to be training this Sunday. This Sunday at 10 a.m. till 12 noon. It's $50 and it's a very good training for if you want to heighten your intuitive skills, which means to be taught from inside, which is your immortal part of you teaching you. So we teach you how to do that, how to develop it, how to work with living energy. And join us here this Sunday. It's a fun 2-hour training workshop. So be here with us. Peace to your body, peace to your mind, and peace to your soul.